What's good, everyone? This is your boy, the one and only Mr. Kunyeke. Mr. What? Mr. Ish Bafetu. Today, I'm going to explain about how city trip started. Explain ukuthi itholakala laphi. Yathola into nyane njalo Ish Bafetu iwera iyasipayizisa. Shoot my Bafetu. I-city trip. Yabo. I-brand nyana ecreate intwana zasekasi yayithola ziziphandela impilo in other ways yayithola try something nathi yayithola bathi fake it to make it yayithola maye shit my i-city trip vele izele emcondweni igama vele yayithola sabona ukuthi liyahlala mahlala kanjalo sayenda kaye shoot my bafethu mastrowa mas design abantu bathanda bakhomenta abakhomenta basho ukuthi lempahla letholakala laphi shoot my ngaba no bro wami there send imali yabo shout out to you my brother, you know yourself yabo bafethu. Shout out to Dollar, shout out to my entertainment, shout out to who support me. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Shoot my vele bafethu ne besingekho show ngale gama leli yabo bafethu masingekho show kanjalo ngabuza uDola ukuthi ntanga lempahla le company ufila kanjani ngale gama leli so far wayithola untwana wathi limnandi le gama leli limjojo wayithola let us try to make it ngathi ntwana athi asishaya le nto le masisha fere untwana watshela isikela sakhe ethola ukuthi isigqoko sikhona besingakakhiphi ngale nkathi lezo vele matshela abantu abukhombisa ethola something like that abantu basithanda bese ke sakhipha 2 ne bese ke abantu basupporta kanjalo ethola saloku isikhipha maye bafethu ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi lempahla lena itholakala eK1 ethola eKatlong ethola Nyanga Street Nyanga NYANGA bese uzobhala street ethola 1431 bafethu shoot my street cap isitholakele 100 rand ethola into nyanye njalo food nyana tholakele ethola konje ibizwana lento bafethu islaji tholakele 130 yabo bafethu injalo le. For more information comment there what must I drop wayithola comment there any question. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Yonke impahla bafethu ikhona available skipa yonke into. And guys, don't forget to follow on TikTok. Danko.